You obstructed my arrest by opening up that police door.
Come over here.
You want to know why? You opened that police door and allowed him to go ahead and run away, and you did not try to stop him from running away.
On the 16th of October, 2022, an officer detained a man for public urination. Florida Statute 800.03 makes indecent exposure a first-degree misdemeanor. The officer's decision to issue a summons rather than arrest reflects sound charging discretion, proportionate, community appropriate, and legally correct. Charging discretion is a real power. Officers may issue a citation rather than arrest for minor offenses when circumstances support it. No prior indicators, a responsible custodian available, a non-violent infraction. The summons was the right call. Everything that followed made it irrelevant.
I got a police officer in front of me. You're clearly not in front of me. You're not in front of me. I got a cop in front of me, literally.
Put your hands behind your back.
There she
Back up.
Yep, there she is.
Back up now. I'll tell you what's going on. Back up.
I'm not doing anything. I'm sorry.
No one was near me.
You're under arrest for indecent exposure.
But no one was near me.
Just received another caller saying that he believes he was behind the vehicle on Davis around 5 minutes ago.
Stand right here.
The neighborhood.
Get on the sidewalk and I'll explain everything to you. Get on the sidewalk and I'll explain everything to you, okay?
Send that to Circle.
6926.
175 at quarters.
175.
Got 110-15 attach offense.
I didn't do
Hold on, okay? And I'll explain everything to you. Just let me do my job, all right? Stop, okay?
I didn't do anything.
You were peeing in the street with your dick exposed.
Okay, when they all told me that's where to go, the people that worked here told me that.
Okay, there's bathrooms inside.
But the people that told me worked here said that.
All right, you do know that you can't pee in the street, right?
I know. I'm from Baltimore. The people that worked here told me that, so I followed the instructions.
Come on, come on.
So, well, you're making me pull my pants down in front of everybody.
That's on you.
It's a little embarrassing.
Well, you shouldn't have been pissing in the middle of the street, bud.
The people that work here said that. No, it's not up to me.
Have a seat and try not to piss in my car, please.
Are you kidding? That's crazy. Really? That's insane. That's crazy.
Okay, so he was urinating in the street. Okay, his penis was exposed and everything like that. Doesn't matter where you're at in the United States, it is illegal. So he's gonna get a summons as long as he doesn't have anything back, and I'm gonna cut him loose. Who are you to him?
I'm his girlfriend.
Okay, y'all live together?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna cut him into your custody as soon as I'm done writing this up. Okay, that's the only reason why.
And I understand.
Okay.
I understand.
Don't go over yet until I'm done with the report. Then go ahead and get yourself over. Yeah, I really saw that. Yeah, I really saw that to you though. But
I'm so sorry.
Excuse me.
I'm so sorry.
That's fine. But let me do my job, and then I'll explain. More than happy to let you know what's going on.
I understand.
Okay. Yeah. He's gonna be released from here. I'll as long as you're okay to take care of him, then that's fine.
Thank you.
Where do you guys live?
30. Myrtle Circle.
2350 Myrtle Circle?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, just hang tight, okay?
Don't worry, baby. Once I get out of these cuffs, no. Once I get knocked out, He's gonna sleep for like 10 days. Don't worry.
Let's go home.
No, don't worry. Don't worry. He's sleeping for 10 days. Right? You know that, right? You know that, right? Because you're a bitch, right?
Babe.
You know that, you fucking bitch, right? Exactly, you fucking bitch. Fucking clown. You're a fucking
Babe.
clown.
Babe.
Open up the fucking door and let me fight you one-on-one. Bet what happens. Hold, jabs, yeah.
Hey, no!
Gio grabbed me out.
Let's go. Get back inside.
Ow, right, you break his hands. Ow,
Put your hands behind your back. Why would you even touch the door? You're under arrest for resisting arrest.
I didn't know this shit was gonna open.
Spread your feet, please. $175 by quarters.
I did not know this shit was
Can you do a search on her? Show another 10-15. Can you do a search on her?
I did not know this shit was gonna open. What the fuck? Oh my god. Buena, bro.
Huh?
I did not know this shit. What the fuck?
Yeah, both going out to the county jail.
Yo, let me
Oh
go
my
get my
God.
fucking dogs out, you fucking bitch. Yo,
All the way in.
Yo,
All the way in.
Yo, let me, hey.
All the way in.
Hey,
Sure, my-
hey,
my-
you
All the
better
way
let
in.
me let out when you're outside that bitch.
Yeah, just leave it right there.
Fuck you, fucking bitch. Let me out. Yo, let me fight you Fight! Fight! Fight me!
Oh shit. Hello? Hey, want to see this? Don't get
Oh, yeah, he knows his special.
What I
That would
did.
knock him the fuck out. He knows his special. Exactly. You don't know
Look at
them.
that resist.
All right, so this is what's gonna happen. Miss Alexa, close the door. She throwing up or no?
No, she said no.
Close the door.
She was making some noise, but
All right, so this is what's going to happen. You are under arrest for resisting without violence. In the state of Florida, resisting without violence incorporates obstruction.
fuck up. No one
Okay,
cares what you say,
so you
bitch.
obstructed my
Shut the
arrest
fuck up.
by opening
Come
up that
over here.
police door.
Hey, come over here.
You want to know
Open
why?
the door
You
so I
opened
can
that
fight
police
you.
door
Hey,
and allowed him to go ahead and run away, and you did not try to stop him from running away. This is a marked police car. Would you agree?
I'm over here.
Did you know that this was a police car?
Come fight me.
How did you know this was a police
Come
car?
fight me, you bitch.
I didn't know
Come
that
fight
I
me.
resisted.
How did you know that this is a police car?
Fight me, you bitch. Come fight me.
Is it marked as say police on it?
Did I resist?
Did you hear what I said? The statute is called resisting without violence.
Come
Okay.
fight me.
The subsection
bitch.
there is obstruction.
scared.
You obstructed
You're scared.
and you interfered
You're scared.
with my arrest by opening that door and allowing him to escape.
You're
That's why.
scared.
So
You're
you know that you're in a marked police car. You
You're
don't open up
scared,
that
you
door.
bitch.
You're
You're
allowed
bitch.
to open it.
You're
So
a
you
bitch.
interfered
You're a
with
bitch.
my arrest, which is
You're
why
a
you're being
bitch.
charged.
Listen,
You understand?
You have Dan's number.
You understand? But again, you have you there in court. You explain to the judge that you didn't know that you were not supposed to open up a police car door.
I didn't know that.
You just wait until my uncle
Okay.
has you in court.
As long as you understand that that's what you're being charged with, okay?
All right. Hey, we can't leave. I gotta ask you a question.
Come here.
So what
with this ID. So the kid tried to use somebody else's ID. So when this guy comes back to pick it up, what do we do? Just give it back to him?
Yeah, just give it back to him.
Okay.
Give it back to him.
When the girlfriend opened the patrol car door and the detainee escaped, she committed obstruction, resisting without violence under Florida Statute 843.02. The statute incorporates any deliberate act that interferes with a lawful detention. Violence is not required. The act of opening the door is the offense. Her defense that she did not know she was prohibited from opening a police car door addresses knowledge, not the act. The officer was in uniform, the vehicle was marked, and the detainee was visibly in custody. Knowledge is difficult to deny on those facts. The defense belongs in court, not on the sidewalk. The officer's on-camera obstruction explanation was legally precise. Statute cited, subsection identified, conduct described, and her right to raise the knowledge defense in court explicitly acknowledged. That level of on-scene statutory accuracy reflects genuine legal literacy and professional communication. The detainee's sustained verbal threats from inside the patrol car are documented on body camera. Under Florida Statute 836.05, threatening a law enforcement officer with bodily harm is a separate criminal offense. His escape adds a third-degree felony under Florida Statute 944.4. A summons became a felony warrant.
Let me out. Yo, let me fight you one-on-one, you.
Make sure my.
No, let me let him.
They
Yo,
have my-
you're soft as. Fight me! Fight me! You fight me! Yo, give me the. I'm gonna handle myself out of this bitch. I'm telling you, I'm gonna knock them all out.
The officer receives a full A. Charging discretion was sound. Patience under sustained verbal abuse, never responding to a single provocation, is genuinely remarkable. The obstruction explanation was legally precise. This is one of the clearest examples of professional composure and legal literacy in a single brief encounter. The girlfriend receives a C-. Cooperative initial engagement and genuine effort to take custody are credited. But opening that door completed every element of the obstruction offense. Intent to help is not a defense to obstruction. The act is the offense. The boyfriend receives a D. He was given the most favorable outcome for his offense, a summons and immediate release. He subjected the officer to sustained verbal threats, fled when the door opened, and left his girlfriend to face an obstruction charge. His threats are documented and constitute separate criminal liability. 3 takeaways. First, charging discretion is not a legal right. When an officer chooses a summons over arrest for a minor offense, that decision can reverse the moment anything changes. Opening a door changed everything. Second, obstruction does not require violence. Any deliberate act that interferes with a lawful detention satisfies Florida Statute 843.02. The knowledge defense belongs in court, not on the sidewalk in front of a uniformed officer and a marked patrol car. Third, threats made from inside a patrol car are not protected. They are documented on body camera. Under Florida Statute 836.05, threatening a law enforcement officer is a separate criminal charge. The patrol car is not a wall between your words and a criminal record. Let us know if there is a legal topic you would like us to cover in the comments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more police interaction and courtroom content.